Welcome students to Class 4 Maths, Chapter 5, Multiplication, Session 5.3. We will start with multiplication by tens. Let us take an example. 4 multiplied by 10. 10 is actually 1 tens. So we can write 4 multiplied by 1 tens. 4 times 1 tens will give us 4 tens. And 4 tens is nothing but 40. So 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. This is the basic concept behind multiplication by tens, multiplication by hundreds. Next, 4 multiplied by 30. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 tens, which is 12 tens. 12 tens is actually 120. 4 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 4 into 4 tens, which is in turn equal to 16 tens. 16 tens is nothing but 160. Another example, 4 into 80 is equal to 4 into 8 tens, which is equal to, we multiply 4 and 8, we get 32. 32 tens, this is equal to 320. In between steps, you don't have to write, they are for your understanding. Similarly, multiplication by hundreds. 3 into 100 is basically 3 into 100, which is equal to 300s, and 300 is equal to 300. Next example, 3 into 200, which is equal to 3 into 200s, which means 3 2s are 6, 600s, 600s is 600. 3 into 500 is equal to 3 into 500s, 5 3s are 15, so we get 1500s and it is written as 1500. 3 into 700, 3 into 700s, 3 into 7 is equal to 21, so we get 2100s and it is written as 2100. Now here again I will repeat the same thing. When we are faced with a problem where we have to multiply by hundreds, we will keep the 2 zeros aside, multiply the remaining digits like 3 and 7. When we multiply 3 into 7, we get 21 and these 2 zeros will get attached at the end after 21 and we get the answer as 2100. Now this was for the understanding part. Now let us look at how you will attempt questions in the notebook. Multiply 6 into 3. You will write them 6 3s as 18. You will write the answer 18. Now after 6 3s are, if you get 6 into 30. So you will write them one below the other. The 0. You will just write a 0 there at the end and multiply again 6 by 3. You get 18. Answer becomes 180. Now if you have 6 into 300, you will write them. Now the 2 zeros we have written as it is. Now we will multiply 3 by 6. That is 18 and the answer is 1800. Moving on, another example, multiply 254 into 60. You will write them one below the other. There is 1 0, we will just write that 0. Now we will multiply 6 by 4. 6 4s is 24, 2 on top, 4 at the bottom. Then we will multiply 6 with 5. 6 5s is 30 plus the 2 on top, 32. 3 on top, 2 at the bottom. Then we multiply 6 by 2, 6 2s are 12, plus 3, 15. So our answer is 15240. Now we are ready to do a worksheet. Let us do worksheet 5.3. Multiply A part 15 into 30, B 23 into 500, C 37 into 40. Question 2. Amit has 65 notes of 50 rupees each. How much money does he have? So you will multiply 65 into 50 and find the answer. Question 3. There are 352 oranges in a box. How many oranges will be there in 400 boxes? Question 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates can be packed in each box. I have to pack 70 such boxes. How many chocolates do I need to pack? Let us look at the solutions of worksheet 5.3. A part was to multiply 15 by 30. So this basically it is 15 multiplied by 3. We will write the 0 as it is. If you know the table, 3 into 15, you can directly write 45. And if you do not know, you will write 3 5s are 15, 1 on top, 5 at the bottom. Then you will multiply 3 by 1, 3 1s are 3 and plus 1 4. Answer is 450. B part, 23 into 500. We will write them one below the other. We will put 2 zeros straight away. Then we will multiply 5 with 23. 5 threes is 15, 1 on top, 5 at the bottom. 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer is 11500. C part, 37 into 40. We will write them one below the other. There is 1 0, we will write 1 0. Then we will multiply 4 by 7, which is 28, 2 at the top, 8 at the bottom. Then 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14. Answer is 1480. Question 2. Amit has 65 notes of 50 rupees each. How much money does he have? We have to find out the money Amit has. So we will write money Amit has is equal to 65 into 50. Then we'll write them one below the other, multiply them. There is 1 0, we will write the 0 as it is and multiply 5 by 5, 25, 2 at the top, 5 at the bottom. Now we will multiply 5 by 6, 30 plus 2, 32. Answer is rupees 3250. Do write the units. Question 3. There were 352 oranges in a box. How many oranges will be there in 400 boxes? So what do we have to tell in this question? We have to first think about that. In this particular question, we have to tell about number of oranges in 400 boxes. So we will write that only. Number of oranges in 400 boxes is equal to 352 into 400. You will write them in the multiplication format. Since here we are faced with 2 zeros, we will write the 2 zeros as it is. Then we will multiply 4 by 2, that gives us 8. 4 into 5, that gives us 20. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14. So the answer is 140800 oranges. Question 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates can be packed in each box. I have to pack 70 such boxes. How many chocolates do I need to pack? So here we have to find out number of chocolates in 70 boxes. So we'll write number of chocolates in 70 boxes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into 70. We'll write them one below the other. Since there is 1 0, we will write that 0. Then we will multiply 7 by 4, 28. 2 at the top, 8 at the bottom. 7 threes are 21 plus 2, 23. 2 at the top, 3 at the bottom. 7 twos are 14 plus 2, 16. 1 at the top, 6 at the bottom. Then 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 86380 chocolates. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I hope you enjoyed doing the worksheet as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do follow me on Insta and FB. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.